The Springs in Dubai here, one of the most sought after communities. Now, the Springs is popular because it was the first townhouse community ever launched by Emaar over 18 years ago. Can you believe it? These were launched for under 600,000 dirham, but we are talking 18 years ago. So these are now much older homes. They're very, very popular because the Springs is so centrally located. However, people that are purchasing these properties are now having to do a lot of work and upkeep to really bring it to, you know, today's modern living. So these are townhouses. We have 3 bedrooms, 4 bedrooms, and the corner units, and you know, they become very, very attractive because obviously you've got a lot more space to upgrade, and you've got the kitchens you can upgrade, you've got larger area in terms of gardens, and some of these properties actually face out towards the water. So I thought I would just do a little show around the Springs because this has definitely been the success story for Emaar. This is where townhouse living began. This is the very first townhouse community. Really, really nice. So it's a ground floor plus first floor. And you know, what's good about these communities is Emaar did the parks, they did the water down there, you've got the community swimming pools. So just a really, really nice feel and easy for kids to play in the streets. We're near to all the top schools here. We're minutes from the Sheikh Zayed Road and from the Mall of the Emirates. So if you want some more details on properties here in the Springs and you're somebody that's ready and prepared to do some upgrading and renovation, then this might be for you. But anyway, look at the description below my video where there's some more details about what we have for sale right now in the Springs. You can also see my WhatsApp number so you can get in touch with me. And if you want any information about buying real estate in Dubai, don't hesitate to get in touch with me. Remember, if you're watching this video and you're a non-resident and you don't live in Dubai, yes, you can buy property here, but there are certain steps you need to understand with a legitimate experienced real estate agent. So choose carefully who you work with, and this is where potentially you could be moving to next. I very much look forward to hearing from you soon. Take care.